Could your will be rejected by the court? I'm attorney Olivia Lee. I practice estate planning here in Virginia. And yeah, it could be, for sure. So, gotta stop saying so. Recent client of mine, before they hired me, key point, called me in a rage because the court had rejected their brother's will. And that is because the requirements were not met under Virginia law. And he had done this because it looked like a template will from gotten off the line, and after I reviewed it, it did not meet Virginia requirements because there are very specific requirements, and it's not going to be valid if they're not met. And that's for a number of different reasons. One reason is we don't want fraudulent wills showing up. And I'm telling you this because that's real. Happens all the time, where there will be these template wills, or people have tried to DIY their wills, and then something happens and they get rejected by the courts. But I'm telling you this now because you can't fix this after the court has rejected it, because guess what? You've already passed away. And it was really sad in this particular situation with my client, because even though the court had rejected it, you could contest it and litigate it and go to court or whatever, but that cost thousands of dollars, right? And the estate was so small, and my client couldn't afford it. Okay, so he couldn't even, so it actually went to somebody else besides to whom the brother wanted it to go, actually, the deceased brother. So it's a really sad story because there's not really any way to fix it at this point. So I'm telling you this now so that you can avoid it, so that you can avoid it for your kids, okay? So, and also, conversely, you're a kid too, right? So avoid that with your parents, and make sure that their estate plan is reviewed to make sure that it's valid under their state's laws. So, goes both ways. All right. Have any questions concerning this, feel free to reach out. More than happy to answer.